equally as excited to introduce Craig Hauben, who is Assistant VP for Managed Care at the North Shore Long Island Jewish Care Connect Insurance Plan. And the reason I'm equally excited to make this introduction is that North Shore, which is typical for them as an organization, where others may be a little timid and others may be a little reticent or others may think a little bit longer, North Shore steps into the breach, and they do so with gusto and they do so with firm commitment. And North Shore has made a decision as an organization, and again they are our clinical affiliate, that their business is going to be the business of population health. And their business is going to be managing the care of patients, not just in hospitals, but throughout the continuum of care, which is a dramatic change in their business model, but it is the right change because it anticipates what's going on in the industry here in New York and frankly across the nation. It's a bold move on their part, and in the process of anticipating those changes, North Shore determined that they needed to become an insurer, that they needed to not just be a provider, but they needed to be an insurer of people as well. And so they have aggressively launched a number of products, the most important of which today is the Care Connect product. I think this is a wonderful opportunity. I think it's a great experiment. I think it's incredibly interesting, and I think it's incredibly important that we have a provider with the stature of North Shore who has stepped into not only into the insurance market but specifically into the exchange market. I think it's very, very important. We are an affiliate of North Shore. We can serve and see patients, and we're in network for patients that would be enrolled in the Care Connect product. So we're quite excited that they're here today to help us and to support us in this effort. So with that introduction, I want to ask Craig to come up and say a few words.
We're excited to be here. We're excited to be the first major health system in New York to get an insurance license and be offering commercial insurance products. We're excited for all of the changes that have begun yesterday and will continue for the next 5 or 10 years to come. It's important, I think, equally as important that we're going to offer, we as a group, as we share the same values and ideas about offering less expensive insurance and coverage to the sick and those who need it, but also just as much that we're going to offer less expensive coverage and insurance to people who maybe don't need it today, who may need it in the future, who need to worry and focus on staying healthy as opposed to worrying about getting sick and trying to get healthy after you're already sick. So we're committed to that. We think that's a big part of our value, is being able to not just support those people who enter the hospital every day and who need us at that moment, but to be able to talk to and touch and coordinate activities with people who don't need us today. But who can leverage the programs that we offer with great partners like NuHealth and NuMIC to make sure that people stay healthy over the long term. We're happy to be one of the 9 entrants or 9 insurance carriers in the Long Island market. The Long Island market is a significant market. I'm sure that if you went to Washington, they probably aren't paying attention to Long Island, but it's a big part of the downstate market, as not small by any terms. There are a lot of people who need help here, who need inexpensive coverage. We're proud to be part of that. We're proud to be part of the partnership. We're proud to learn from our partners like Health First, like NuHealth, about the type of outreach they do every day, that they've been doing for years, that the health system will learn how to do well to make sure that we can get access to and talk to and help those people who really need it. And through that, you'll see the products that we offer. We're not just on the individual exchange. We're offering products in the individual market, on and off the exchange, small group products, large group products, all in an effort to make sure that we can touch as many people as possible to keep people healthy, to meet the health system's strong mission of improving the health and well-being of everyone in our community. Excuse me. And we think that through partnerships like this, we'll be able to achieve those goals. You can find out more information. I'll give my plug. North Shore LIJ, careconnect.com. Learn more about our products. You can see where we are in terms of the benefits that we offer and more about the partnership and how that we work together to make sure that we serve this community. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.